my couch, reading James Baldwin. True fans, niggas too lazy to go and do shit. Landlord looking for money, not your excuses. Couple black people that I fuck with from a distance. We hate the government, but get government assistance. You ain't doing what you did in the past, then why tell us? And I ain't blaming no white man for my failures. And I don't blame the judge for the time I did. To be honest, I should've never did the crime I did. That's real, that's real. I should've never did the crimes that I did. Running on the streets. I had to get this money for the babies to feed, so don't judge me.
You get cold.
I know I made mistakes in the past, but today I'm on my best behavior.
We're gonna blow the
Make
horn
no
by
mistakes,
that.
no. They ain't stupid, he aware of the scrutiny. Jews is minorities too, but they got unity. I won't say the Holocaust equate to slavery. How we bounce back as a culture.
Driving off the road, trying to fucking get away.
Race, they look at us like we foolish.
Oh wait, no, I have background. Why isn't it fucking playing? Oh, because of our fucking service. Might have to go to fucking Pandora. Yeah, we have to go to.
Go ahead, Dave, because you're not gonna have service from here to the block.
Yeah, I didn't think about that. I downloaded that offline stuff, but it's not working offline. I don't understand.
I don't know why either. It should. That's what it's meant for.
I'll just put it on Upchurch
Yeah.
or Adam Calhoun. He's got more.
Adam's been having some, or Mises.
Mises isn't on fucking YouTube or on Pandora yet. I wish he would. I hear somebody beeping. Is that behind us? In front of us? I heard it. What? I know I heard it.
I didn't hear it.
I did. Come on, can you play? Yeah, play. Come on, with this fucking buffering bullshit.
Now there's some Trump supporters that do this shit in the rain and it's kind of cold.
Especially the bikers. I give props to the fucking bikers.
Oh yeah. Bikers for Trump.
I'm gonna have to reset up my Bluetooth.
Sorry, babe.
It's fine. I just need to. My phone every once in a while I have to turn off my fucking data and turn my phone in airplane mode and put it back
I
on.
kind of like this idea better than the sunroof.
Yeah, me too.
Because it sticks out of my way, whereas it would have been in my way here.
Yeah.
But where you gotta get a reset. This is the one time I'm content to be behind people. Here we go, babe. This guy had all his Trump flags stolen or thrown on the ground. I don't know, because some people are assholes. This is the way we go to work. Look, they have Trump things out.
Can't see you crying.